Mouta Massi, bringing you the latest happenings in dancehall and reggae music. Welcome, it's Mouta Massi, and here are the stories making the cut for today. Armanii has broken his silence since being hospitalized. Check this out.
You get to me, I've seen one bag of song. When I walk off the stage, bro, everything just slow down, bro. I tell you, everything just slow down. Slow right down, bro. Like everybody just start moving a slow mo to me. My manager asked one thing. That's the last thing, like. Anyways, that's the last thing really made. Everything just slow down. I say, yo, how are you going, bro? So I'm going on the tent now. I'm day in the tent and we're in front of the fan. Things still move slow, bro. When I was somebody there behind me, I tell me, yo, keep up your head. Me, I say, bro, yo, leave me alone. Like me, I say, yo, I'm that type of person. Like, don't touch me. Like, yeah, I know I'm in a situation, but it doesn't make it worse because you have me out, hug me up. I say, yo, leave me alone. But me never know say, me not say it out loud. So me I say, yo, leave me alone. But my body language I show it say, yo, leave me alone. So people I tell the person, yo, leave me alone. And kid you not, I don't know this girl, bro. I don't know her from Adams. I don't know where she from. But I say, yo, leave me alone, dog. You see? Next thing I know, bro, I wake up in our ambulance, dog. Yeah. I wake up in an ambulance. I say, ambulance weird though, dog. Like, the experience. I say, yo, how does it feel like? It's like, you know, in a movie, like when I watch Grey's Anatomy and see them eye them, I go so, and I just like them, I say, I see how it feel, bro, for real. Yeah. But, bro, if I kid you not, bro. Yes, I wake up, I can't take care of myself, bro. I know I can't taste, bro. I don't really eat food, dog. Food just not taste like food no more, bro.
Vybz Kartel fly out massive private jet and all. Check this out. I can only imagine how Vybz Kartel feels right now. Oh my goodness. We feel happy for him. Am I alone?
Yeah, baby. No long me not travel private. I'm badness. Oh, we're early now, man. Let's say badness there now. No? Oh. That's my baby right there. You heard? You know Gaza Nation. After 12 years. Back above the clouds, you know? Sky life. My life badness. You know? Oh.
And for those of you who are wondering where Vybz Kartel them gone, well, he has landed in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Check out this video.
Fully guys outside, you know. One teacher.
Of course, people are wondering if I held treatment in Ghana over the far, or, you know, just a little vacay. Anyways, massive, how I feel about this? Let me know in the comment section below. Non-Change Entertainment wants to know what gone in a dance hall since VYBZ Kartel's release from prison. Check this out.
What really go on a dance hall? All of the man that talk about skate, and I talk about beats, and I talk about this girl or that the girl there. All of the man that say them a chopper, who no rob bank and who no bob and all sort of something and states and all type of thing. Where man then there? Kartel come around, every man get quiet. Every man silent. But tell him not be a coward in the dance hall, you know. Dance hall is not a one-man sport. Dance hall for everybody. You just sit down there and make teacher take all of the glory, all of the hype, all of the spotlight. So you think you might do, you might take it. I hold on and get afraid. Me hear some man run now, man disappear. So what? Student of the foreign, student of the small island. Where all the artists them there that me a hacks. Where Craft there. Where Malidan there. Where Roger Wild there. Where all the artists there. A big man me see bus and what there, you know. So where all the man in my bus and what there? Where they gone? Which part they gone? A Capids. Where gone? Every man career dead. It's all the song me hear since VYBZ Kartel come on road. I go on so Valiant do. And nobody there ever really talk about Valiant. Valiant career slowly a die. But all the film song me hear so far. Where is artists them there? What go on? What go on in a dance hall? Somebody answer my question. If you're not afraid and you're not drop no song, without a doubt, Royal Boss will come run the street and run the stage them red. Remember, you know, I mean the hottest thing, you know, little before Kartel come on road, you know. Remember the Lexus, you know. Remember the Beast, you know. Don't forget that, you know, I'm still hot, you know. Remember, so I'm still hot, you know. They're the hottest thing, you know. Right up until Kartel come out, you know. But the man them where drop song. The man them where go Small Island and I go America and I go all about where the man them there. Where artists them there. Remember, you know. Royal Boss of the DJ. But at the end of the day, dance all for everybody. So my question, where the artists them there? What go on? Everybody run away. Everybody get cool. Man say them under guzu and then ring guard up. 100 dopey and all type of dopey. So it come like Kartel science stronger than phone one. Because we know out the road and have much science and rain. And Kartel just come on road and no science water down. A joke thing. Hold on the people. It look like I'm me alone see it. Or I'm me alone afraid to talk. What really are going to dance hall?
What going in a dance hall? A lot of persons are asking that question. Who can't answer the question, the Massive? Drop the answers in the comment section below. Massive want to know if you be honest with me. Which one better, country or town? Check out this clip.
I direct every day straight to the people them in the taxi did a laugh when the taxi man look at me and say, "A country I come from?" Saying a country I come from as a disrespect is wild when a $350 for one common man go a town when I feed to my animals. Saying a country I come from as a disrespect is wild when a river or a beach is literally a good walking distance away from my yard anytime for free. Saying a country I come from is wild when me literally have cold breeze right through. Saying a country I come from as a disrespect is wild when me go sleep and forget to lock my door and wake up and me alive. Saying a country I come from as a disrespect is wild when I literally do not need to buy food. Like literally, it just grows in my yard for free. Literally the only reason why people normally come to the town area them is strictly for opportunities. There is no serenity here. There is no sort of serenity in town. I don't know where y'all got the impression that, oh, a country girl, you know, I don't know where y'all got this impression that it's a disrespect for say a country you come from. Like, first of all, let me tell you exactly what's the limit to. My fare is 150 from Boulevard to Half a Tree. Them change up fare depending on time at town for some reason. So, I come on board after 10 tonight and I give the man the 150. And him say to me, say, 2 bills for your fare. And I say, oh, I never know my fare change by time. So the man literally slowed down and him turned to me and him say, country you come from? And everybody in the car bust out a laugh. I say, yeah, what? Dead serious because I didn't get the joke. I don't know where the expression a country you come from become a disrespect. Honestly, I just don't see it. Country people healthier. Don't knock me. Look better. Cause I just not understand where the thoughts of it's a disrespect come from. No son just act and pay more money for everything. Jesus Christ. I'm sorry. Y'all are way less neighborly. Them careless. The road them a town harder for cross. Like, we have it good. Country people have it good. So I don't know. It's giving bad mind. Country people have it good.
So this girl lists all the perks of living in country. What are some of the perks of living in Kingston? Drop them in the comment section below. Big up iHeart.share on TikTok for representing for the country girls like myself. There are several persons coming online bashing the influencers here in Jamaica for not being vocal enough on certain social issues, like the massacre that happened in Clarendon the other day. Check this out.
Hey, want to speak on an observation. During burial, I remember the Azan girl, she went on her jet and said what she said, and the entire internet was, well, Jamaica TikTok was in an uproar. And it was, we gotta do better, we have to take back from them, and we have to do. And I was like, okay, cool. I didn't comment on it. A mass shooting took place on a lane. 17 people shot. I believe 8 died, including children. And it's everywhere on the news. And the Prime Minister keeps posting about it. But I have not seen the reaction from influencers and people like I did when that Azan situation took place with that young girl, that young oblivious sheltered girl. This is why I had nothing to say at the time. There's never enough energy for the murderers and criminals in the country. And I'm speaking on this because I literally, the last post I made on TikTok was asking Jamaica TikTok, do we not want peace? Why is it every time I come on this app, Jamaica side is just beer war? Right? And right now we have several feuds taking place of people clearly I don't know, I don't care about, a couple who I do know, but it's not that deep. But the way people are running with this, you'd think it is. And we have way more pressing issues. Way more pressing issues. Like the mere fact that we have a real crime issue. And yet you same ones that have the platforms, right? You're not going in on this. You're not reposting the guy that was threatening the Prime Minister. But the last time you guys were stitching the little Azan girl, I'm not making excuses for her, but bro, that's one person talking. This is someone who killed 7 people. Who wiped families. Like, what are we prioritizing here?
Massive, do you agree with Tosh? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's it for today, Massive Montana. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough love, enough respect. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. Positive vibrations going out to the Massive. I'm Mouta Massi. Magan.
Mouta Massi. Covering the latest in Jamaican music and culture. Like, share, comment and subscribe now.